Welcome to the You Can Book Me video tutorial. You Can Book Me is a free scheduling application that links directly to your Google Calendar. The initial setup is quick and you can customize virtually everything about it. For this tutorial, we're going to create a parent-teacher conference booking. To begin, log into your Google Calendar. Then create a calendar for your parent-teacher bookings. Simply click on the arrow next to My Calendar, click Create New Calendar, and type in a name for your calendar. Then click Create Calendar. You'll then notice that the calendar has been added to your Google Calendar. Next, go to the You Can Book Me site. Then click on the Get Your Free Account, and under the I already have a Google account, click on the Google link. Then click on the Grant Access button. You'll then be taken through an initial setup process. Don't spend too much time on this process as you'll be editing it in more detail next. Once you've completed the initial setup, you'll be taken to this page. Click on the Manage tab at the top of the window, then click on the Launch Settings Editor. You notice a variety of tabs across the top of your page. In the Basics tab, you can choose which calendar you want associated with the You Can Book Me. Ensure that you've chosen the calendar that you created in the Google Calendar setup. You can also change the link that you wish to use. As well as add a logo, a title, or text at the top of your booking grid. Next, you'll notice that there's a Save Now link at the top right corner of your window. Click on the Save Now link periodically to save whatever you've done on that page. You'll notice that the updates have been made to the bottom of the screen on the You Can Book Me site. Next, click on the Times tab. This page allows you to adjust what times you make available for your parent-teacher bookings. Notice that there are no specific start or end times. These are simply the time slots you wish to make available. For this example, we are going to make Wednesday and Thursday available for bookings from 5 o'clock to 9 o'clock. As well, we only wish to have 30-minute time slots, so we're going to change the display to 30-minute slots, minimum booking to 1 slot, default booking 1 slot, and maximum booking 1 slot. Next, click again on the Save Now. Next, click on the Advanced tab. Here is where we'll set our fixed start and end date. Simply click on the calendar next to Fixed Start Date and choose the date you wish to start your bookings. Click on the calendar next to Fixed End Date and choose the date, the end date you wish for your bookings. Again, you'll notice that the preview at the bottom of the page has been updated to match what you've changed. Click on Save Now. Click on the Booking Form tab. This tab will allow you to customize the form that parents or guardians complete each time they book a time slot. If you click on the plus sign next to Booking, you'll see that it has the start time displayed, as well as the text before saying Booking, or you can change that to start time if you wish. You can also delete other items from the form by simply opening them up and then clicking delete. To add items to the form, simply click add a question. Click Save Now periodically to make the changes. So in this case we have the start time, the student's name being asked for. We are also going to ask for the parent or guardian name. As well as the parent or guardian email address. Once you have all the information entered for the booking form you wish to collect, click on the Afterwards tab at the top of the screen. This is where you can adjust what is done with the information after the booking has been completed. For the Messages option, this is the message that is displayed as soon as your parent or guardian has booked a time slot. By clicking on Google, you can adjust the information that is sent to your Google Calendar after the booking is made. You can also see an example at the bottom of your screen. By clicking on the Email to You link, you can also adjust whether or not you want an email sent to you every time a booking is made, or the SMS to you, a text message every time a booking is made. In the Email to User options, this is where you can adjust what information is emailed to the parent or guardian after they've made the booking. Next, click on the Cancellation tab. In this tab, you can adjust how or what message is sent to the parents upon cancellation. Parents can cancel a booking by simply clicking on the link at the bottom of the email they received once they've completed a booking, or by contacting the teacher, in which case the teacher would simply go to their Google Calendar and delete the booking from their Google Calendar. You can also adjust the text at the top of your cancellation page. Next, click on Appearance. This is where you can change the header and footer, themes, colors, fonts, or CSS of your bookings page. The simplest way to make any changes to how your bookings page looks is by simply changing the themes for your bookings. Once you've made these changes, be sure to click the Save Now in the top right corner to save the changes that you've made. Then click on Basic and ensure that you've got the Online button selected so that your bookings form or page is going to be available online for parents to access. Then click on the Dashboard link at the top of your page and click on Publish. This is the link that you will share with your parents when they wish to make a booking. To make a booking, all parents do is go to that link, choose a time slot, enter their information from the form, then enter the security code and click Confirm Booking. Once a booking has been made, it will automatically appear on your Google Calendar. By clicking on that item on your Google Calendar and then clicking Edit Event, you can see the details for that booking. You'll also notice that by going back to the bookings page, that time slot is no longer available. If you wish to make that time slot available on your bookings page, simply go to your Google Calendar and delete that item or that appointment from your Google Calendar. You will then notice that that time slot is again once available on your bookings page. Parents can also cancel their bookings from their confirmation email they received regarding that booking. You can make changes to your bookings page at any time by simply going back into the You Can Book Me site, clicking on Manage, and then clicking on Launch Settings Editor. Any changes you make will then be made on your bookings page that parents will see.